My name's Casey. I'm the welding instructor here at Minnesota State College Southeast. Been here for 16 years, going on my 17th year. It's only a one-year program here. A little bit of bookwork with this program. You'll probably be 85% or better hands-on. When it comes to COVID-19, we are ready. We were ready last year, actually, in March. I have 3 rooms in this facility, so social distancing is not a problem. We've also made another expansion here for the stick welders, so every process can be separated from each other. The ventilation, all of the filtration has been changed. With the separation with curtains and walls and all of that, we're ready to go, so you can feel completely safe here. You will have your own tools, your own booth. Everything is pretty much individual. If you're interested in my program or any other program, please visit our website.